this is a trailer from Guangzhou SIPUXIN machinery. Today I would like to introduce 500 liter customized hydraulic lifting emulsifier. The water tank has a capacity 416 liters and the oil tank 200 liters. Two tanks are equipped with electric heating and emission function for material pre-treatment. This oil water tank features a precision roll cell that holds material feeding automatically upon reaching the preset weight. Furthermore, dedicated cleaning balls are installed in both the water and oil tank to facilitate convenient cleaning. The pneumatic valves are controlled by a PLC system, reduce force, manual operation, and saving time. This system uses a Siemens PLC controller with an HMI touchscreen. It features recipe storage and can record complete production data for each batch. In case of production quality issue, it's around quick tracing of the production date, batch number, and oil material issue for the corresponding batch. The maple cover accessories include feeding material, raising valve, side glass, and space bucket, and vacuum pressure gauge. Through this side glass, you can see the production state of material inside the maple. The mixer of this machine is two-way mixing. The center mixer and side helical ribbon mixer. The material stirred by the center mixer will be stirred surrounding power, and then the side helical ribbon mixer will be squared and meet the surrounding material to the bottom and the middle, so that all material can be mixed and emulsified. And this is homogenizer, and this is internal and external circulation pipe or the emulsifier. The bottom material can be served into the pipe by the ball or the homogenizer. More and more material can be served into the pipe. The material accumulate in the pipe and secrete each other, and finally return to the maple for a new valve or emulsion. In this way, no matter the material in at the ball, in the middle, or at the bottom, so that all material can be fully emulsified by the homogenizer, and the product will become more perfect. This is the overall introduction of our machine. If you interested in our machine, please contact us. SIPUXIN Machinery 24 years sincerely service.